Chief Government, I want to thank you for all the assistance that you've given us during our presidency, without which I don't think we would have achieved what we've achieved in the last period.
Thank you for saying that.
And we want to thank you for that.
Yeah. I think that the work that you've done and the energy you've put in throughout the year was fantastic.
Thank you.
Because, you know, sometimes people go to those events and then after the event is over, you drop the idea because you have so many other problems when you're the head of the country. I think that you did a great job. You were always engaged and you were always pushing.
As I said this morning, we may have given up the torch, but we'll be in the face of the people in the world because we need to continue this fight until the end.
No one ever would forget the Talanoa dialogue.
I think that's one legacy we will leave behind.
This to us.
Climate change.
Yes, yeah.
Fight.
Exactly. Good to see you, my friend.
Thank you. Take care.
See you. Absolutely. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, thank you, everybody. Thank you. See you. Have a good day, okay? See you.